Hi, right now we have only the get method. Now we want to add other useful methods to our application, so we can do something like get method, and here we can even add post. Here we can use put. Here we can use delete. So right now we have different HTTP methods, and we can test them with a tool like Postman. So if you go on Firefox, you refresh, you can see get method, and if you go on Postman and you invoke this get, you can see get method. If you want to try different HTTP methods, you can set this to post, send, and you have post method, put, and you have put, and delete, and you have delete.